Today we have a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is "She tried to outsmart police after shoplifting, but it backfired."
She thought police stopped her for pushing a Walmart cart too far, not realizing they had already caught her stealing.
Come here.
Hello?
Come here.
Excuse me?
Okay. So
I
come
can't
here.
take the shopping cart?
No. So I need to talk to you over here. Walmart said you stole some of their stuff, okay? So
can you please let me go?
Don't.
You're being forceful. Can you please let me go?
Walk towards my car.
I'm asking you to let me go. Let me go.
Ma'am, you stole from
Sir,
Walmart.
let me go.
So walk towards my car.
Sir, let me go, sir.
If you don't
Sir?
listen, you're going to be arrested for resisting and obstructing.
You're being forceful with me, and I'm asking you to let me go.
Walk this way.
I will walk to the car, but you need to let me go, sir.
I'm not going to let go of your arm. So walk towards the car with
You
me,
can
okay?
let me go, but because you're pulling me forceful, I told you I will walk with you.
Yeah.
Now please let me go.
Walk this way now.
Okay.
Okay, go.
That's fine. Let me go, sir.
Okay.
You're pulling on me. I
Okay.
don't like that.
Walk this way. Do you have an ID on you?
No, I do not.
Okay, so what's going on?
What do you mean?
What happened?
Every time I go in there, the dude in there, he keeps trying to say that I took stuff. I went in there and I got my groceries and I try to go home. Plain and simple.
Okay. Did you take anything without paying for it?
No, I went to the register and I literally paid for everything I have.
Okay. So you don't have an ID on you at all?
No, I don't.
No, nothing like that?
No.
So if I let go, you're going to run on me?
No, I'm not.
Because if you do
They
that,
never
you're
have
arrested.
ID.
I'm not. I literally just trying to go home.
Okay, so stand here. Don't
Okay,
move.
that's fine.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm only 17.
17. Okay. Do you know mom's phone number? Or mom or dad's name or phone number?
No, I don't even live with my parents.
Huh?
I don't stay with my parents.
So where do you stay at?
Over there with a friend. I'm homeless right now.
Okay. Are you homeless? Are you missing? Are you a runaway? Like, what's the deal?
I'm homeless.
Okay, because if we don't get something, like a legit answer, we're going to have to take you down to the station.
What school do you go to? We need something that verifies you're you.
Do you have a school
Otherwise,
ID?
we have to take you.
No.
No school ID?
What school do you go to?
What school do I go
Yeah.
to? Zion.
The high school?
Yeah.
Pull up. I'm gonna get your phone and pull up your Skyward. Okay? I'll get it.
Just
I
stay
don't
here.
have any of that on my phone.
You don't have any of it on your phone.
No, my phone doesn't even work.
So, Sierra, what's
What
in
do
your
you
bag?
need
have
from me?
I need an ID. I need to know who you are.
I just told you that I don't have an ID with me. Like, I don't understand
Anything
what
with your name on it? Like a school
I'm
ID?
asking you, what are you looking for so that I can go home?
I need to know who you are.
I just literally told you, and you just dropped all my stuff.
Okay, stay here, Sierra.
It's literally in this bag right here. Can I drop my groceries off at home?
No.
Bye.
So you're willing to go to jail instead of finding something with your name on it?
I don't have anything with my name and I don't know what the fuck you want from me. I'm literally talking to you. I'm being nice. You pulled me forcefully when I came over here.
Yeah, 'cause
and
you
I'm
didn't
trying to
listen.
find something for you. No, I did listen. You grabbed me. You came up to me and
Yeah.
you literally grabbed.
See, now you getting loud. Now you getting loud. Starting to talk back. Getting loud now. Remember, you can be detained out of cuffs and in cuffs, okay? You might want to tone it down a couple of decibels. Tone it down. You starting to curse at me. I don't know what the F you want from me. Young lady, you better be easy. Tread real lightly. Cause I think they gonna get her together, boy. She better start coming up with something.
You did not have to do that. You could have said, can you walk over here with me? But you grabbed me and said, walk over here with me. You
So,
did not.
Sierra, last time, we need something with your name on it, like a picture of an ID, school ID.
Okay, and I'm
something.
trying to call somebody to get something from you. I don't have any service on my phone. My phone barely works.
What is
and
the
I'm
phone number?
asking
I'll
you,
call it.
Can I use Wi-Fi?
Okay. So, Sierra,
You have the number? I'll call it.
and then Sierra, I need your purse. Okay, so just take your purse off for me, okay?
Okay. What do you need out of my purse?
Do you have anything else on you?
Yeah, there's a shirt in there.
A shirt?
Yeah.
It's not a shirt.
What is it?
So there's a pink shirt.
These are pants.
You ain't pregnant.
No.
This ain't no belly.
You don't gotta grab me like that. These are
Well,
pants.
Okay, take it out.
And you're stolen items, so
Take
we're not
your-
playing
take
this
your stuff
game.
out.
So knock it off.
I'm not playing anything
They're
with
not
you.
Right. We're not
These
trying
are
to do
pants.
that. Okay.
Yeah, they're
well,
not
obviously that's not where they
people.
go.
Right? Just drip something.
That's fine.
I don't have.
Well, I'm still gonna check because.
Okay, go ahead. I'm just trying to go home.
Where's home? You said you didn't have no home.
I said I'm homeless. I
So where
don't
you
have a
trying to
home
go
that's
then?
mine.
Where are you trying to go then?
Over there.
Where's over there?
In the houses, the apartments that are over there.
Which one? What unit?
I don't know the exact number,
Who
but
do
I
you
know
stay
the
with
door.
there?
I stay with my friend.
Name?
Who's the closest family member around town?
My closest family member.
Yeah. You said mom, dad's not around, so you have like
My
grandma,
and
grandpa?
my cousin.
Your grandma?
My grandma and my cousin.
Okay.
How did you pay? Cash?
Do you have your receipt?
My receipt is in.
How did you pay? How did you pay for it there?
Can I see that? Can I see that wallet?
No. Excuse me, sir.
Let go.
You asked to see it, and
Yeah,
then
let
you're
go.
snatching my
Yeah,
stuff.
let go. Just let go.
Excuse me, let it go.
Let go.
You're gonna let go. You're gonna be under arrest.
How?
Game.
You're pulling
go.
stuff from me that don't belong to you.
None of this belongs to you technically anymore.
it do.
You ain't got no proof of that, and you got no ID. Actually, it don't.
It do.
Is it don't? Otherwise, you're gonna go on handcuffs.
2224 file.
Because you're being aggressive. You're darn right. And
No, you're good.
you must stay right here since one while I'm not having an ID or anything.
And have to pay with a link card, but don't have Your link card has a name on it, no?
He said it was my link card.
Oh, so you stole a link card too? You understand that? As soon as we get your right information and all this, everyone can leave about the night.
That's
but
what
you're
I'm
making
trying
this
to
a lot
do.
more difficult.
It's because you guys are being disrespectful and you're literally
snatching
scaring.
something
Okay,
away
but you're
Something.
scaring me.
I'm scaring you?
You're scaring me because you're in my space. You're being aggressive with me. That is traumatic for me. That's why I'm asking. Please back up.
So
ask
if it was
nicely.
so traumatic,
If you
why did
ask
you
for
fall- why'd you
nicely,
fight over a
if you
wallet
ask, because that's my stuff and you're snatching stuff
This
that
stuff
does
was
not
Walmart.
belong
This
to
stuff
you.
was Walmart stuff, and you decided to steal it. So how do you think they feel?
But you don't have no right to snatch
You don't have no
my
right to steal
personal.
stuff from Walmart.
I don't care about none of that.
Okay,
I
yeah,
don't
that's
have
fair.
no
You don't
right
care
to.
about
Of course you don't.
No,
Alright.
wallet.
Okay, miss. Miss Pratt, you're 18.
Can you please give me my wallet?
She's going.
Yeah.
You're
come
under
on.
arrest.
Excuse me?
You're under arrest.
For what?
You lied about your name.
And you did a retail thing.
Oh,
Yeah, you stole from the store.
I don't have anything, bro. You literally got everything that you wanted.
Those magical
She ain't got no
pills you
warrant or
paid for
nothing.
that were
She just
stuck in
lying to
your-
lie.
You got everything that you wanted.
Yeah, and now you're going to jail.
Okay, can I?
Simple
can you drop my
citation.
groceries off at home, please?
No. You don't even know where you live at, so definitely not.
How are we supposed to drop them off?
Can you please drop them off so that my family can eat?
For one in custody.
No, you can call them, but you're...
Okay, but you just literally locked me up and then you didn't even fuck.
We
like,
gave you so many
snatched my
chances.
phone from me, bro.
Just open this, I'll take it.
Okay. This is uncomfortable. Keep his fix them. They're too tight.
They're definitely
good.
not. They're actually way too loose.
They're actually. No, they're
Too
actually
loose?
tight.
Yeah, I put 4 fingers in there.
That was loose.
This is too tight.
No, it's not.
This is too tight.
Nope, you're good.
That's really tight.
We'll take them off when we get to the station.
How far is the station?
What? Like, anything else in your person?
No.
What's your first name again so I can call you by your real name?
Kavara.
Kavara.
I'm just gonna go home.
But you're like,
Act like I'm doing stuff on purpose.
I don't have purpose.
You took stuff on
but I
purpose.
don't, because I'm scared of police, bro. I don't have anything.
We weren't with you at Walmart.
Okay, but I'm homeless. The
That's
stuff
not
that
an
I
excuse.
take, I need. I need soap. I need certain things.
You need the fake eyelashes.
That's mine.
You don't need that.
I do.
You don't. You don't need
For
fake
my
eyelashes.
Where do you work at?
I don't have a job right now, but I take
So-
pictures and stuff like that.
Come on.
Oh yeah.
You need it for your job, but you don't work right now.
Because I take pictures and stuff like that. What do you not get?
Take pictures.
Take pictures for your job?
Yes.
Oh, sound like OnlyFans to me. What she doing? She selling feet pics or something? What she got going on, man?
Alright, we're gonna go to
This side.
The truth came out once officers found her ID. When do you think it finally clicked for
Yeah, so this was just dumb. If she didn't have any warrants or anything like that, like this, not everybody that steals goes to jail, you know, depending on the amount, or if you've done it in the past and things like that, you would get a notice to appear and go about your business. But lying about your name and all, you just add in more. I don't get these people, man. These people are just, I don't understand it. Gonna lie about your age and everything because you 18. You know you shouldn't be doing that type of stuff, man. Unbelievable. I need everything. I'm homeless. You got fake eyelashes in there. Well, I need them for my pics. Well, what type of work you for your work? What type of work you doing when you need them fake eyelashes and all that? What? Sound like SEX work to me. I don't know. Cause you ain't got a regular job, so I don't know. Anyway, I get officers at 4, man. They did pretty good. The only thing, like I said, I mean, I would have probably detained her in cuffs from the beginning, but you know, it is what it is. Cause I did have a feeling in the beginning when it was just them, like the guy and her, I felt like she was gonna run for it, but it is what it is. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member. And I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.